Where's it loading at? New Forest? Going to Rock Island? What's the rate on it? Nah, I'll pass on that. Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you. Alright, we made it over here to the little town of South Lyons, however you say it. GPS says Lyon.
Turn right onto 10 Mile Road, West Lake Street.
Yeah, GPS says Lyon. And it wants to go that way. It always amazes me how these factories end up in these little towns. And it must be the railroad tracks that the railroad tracks come through town, and that's what services the little factory. I can't remember what road it is here.
Take the next right onto West McCanny Street.
There it is. There it is. It's been a while since I've been back here. Alright. Now, I did put the axle down before I came over here. In these small little towns like this, I knew it's tight back here. And the dump valve, you know, people still ask what it does, but it releases the air pressure out of the rear airbags. It still leaves the air pressure in the front airbags. But what it does, it makes the trailer pivot on the front axle, which actually makes the trailer shorter to go around corners and whatnot. If you have that axle up, man, it's takes quite a bit to get around the corners. So where we're going is right there in front of us. There's a parking lot over here. Now I haven't been here since all this COVID stuff started, so I'm not too sure how it works here, but we'll find out. So usually, see how these guys are pulled up like this. So usually you pull in like so. These are all Mercer trucks right here. 1, 2. I don't think that one is. So usually you pull in straight like this, and then you back up into the door back there. So we'll see if we get in the way right here. Well, I guess that is a Mercer truck. All right, let me go get checked in and see what's going on. morning. We got our tubing unloaded this morning over in Racine. I think that's how you pronounce it, Wisconsin. We're over here outside of Milwaukee picking up stuff. So this is what we got going down to Lexington, Kentucky. So sometimes it's more of a challenge keeping little stuff on the trailer than it is big stuff. Let's go up here. I'll explain what I'm gonna do here. So you can see what we got. There's actually 3 packages. One here, one there, and then one way in the back. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a strap. I call it a barrel wrap. We're gonna wrap around these 2 up here to hold them tight. And then we're gonna take a barrel wrap around the back here and hold it tight. Now I did check. These are pretty sharp corners. So I think what I'm gonna do is get a piece of carpet. That's probably the easiest thing for the barrel wrap. And then I'll use the plastic edge protectors for the straps. So that's what we got. But it's not heavy at all. But sometimes it's a little more challenge keeping little stuff on the trailer than it is big stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna belly wrap, and we'll throw about 4 straps on there, maybe 5, and belly wrap down there. So we'll get that done. We'll get out of here. I'm gonna try to get down by Louisville tonight. That's the plan. All right, we got loaded. We're actually over here at this Love's truck stop near, I don't even know where we're at. We're on I-39 in Illinois at the Love's truck stop. A Love's truck stop that is extremely frustrating. I stopped here to get some fuel. I pulled the fuel aisle and somebody had apparently ripped the def nozzle off the hose. So the diesel pump wouldn't work. I had already put all my information in. So I went inside, tried to make it work. It didn't work. I moved to another pump and somebody had broke the card reader thing. So I had to go inside again to get the pump turned on. Just a little frustrating. All right, so we got 5 hours. Oh, I forgot to change that. Hang on a second, I gotta fix my logbook. Okay, now we're ready. Now we're ready. I didn't have the right button pressed and it was gonna get mad at me. So, we got 5 hours down to Louisville. That's where I'm trying to
take the next left onto East 4th Road.
That's where I'm trying to get to. So we got 5 hours down there. We got 5 hours and 53 minutes left on our logbook of driving.
600 feet, turn right onto West Walnut Street.
So I got me a sandwich and a cup of coffee. So we should only have to stop one more time.
Take the next right onto West Walnut Street, then turn.
But yeah, this love stressed me out a little bit. So when we get to Louisville tonight, we will go outside and take a look of how we loaded this. It's riding pretty good. It's riding pretty good. So, all right, talk to you in a bit. Okay, it's the end of the day. We made it down here to Louisville. I got the light on the truck, or on the camera in the truck. It's been a long day. If that shows up, see that 12 right there? 12 minutes? That's how many minutes we got left in our 14-hour clock. So it's been a long day. We're over here in Louisville. We got to deliver in Lexington, Kentucky tomorrow, which is about an hour from here. It's nice and quiet. It's about 8:30 at night, so not too many people here. It's nice and quiet. Oh, let's see here. Oh, I got a couple things I want to show you out here.
See if it'll show up. But I don't know if that crack will show up. My other Peterbilt did the same thing, and it must be the way I hop out of the truck. The metal has cracked right there when I get out. I had to put a plate, aluminum plate on the other one. So I got to fix that. But here's our load. Oh, before I forget, people have asked. Yes, this trailer is taller. And let me stand right here. See this part right here? This part is taller by about a couple inches. The other trailer is about that tall. And stepping from there to there, I have to get used to, because the old trailer for 10 years, I used to step from there to there. And this one sits up a little higher. Plus, this plug is a little further over, so it gets all the cords are in the way. So the air cords and everything. But anyway, that's just me. Oh, let's go up here. We'll walk up here. So this trailer sits about 3 inches taller than the other trailer. The other trailer used to be able to get 8.5 feet on the trailer, so I can only get about 8 feet 2 inches on here now. But this is what we got. So you can see that belly strap right there, or that barrel strap. I wrapped it around right there. The biggest thing, see how this wood moves around on the trailer? This isn't square anymore. It's tight, but it's the vibration moves that stuff around. But anyway, that's what we got. Do not have a reload yet for tomorrow, so I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do yet. We'll figure it out. It's only the first of the month, so hopefully tomorrow they'll start booking some more stuff. But see what I'm talking about? That plug right there, I used to step on that side right there, and that plug's a little further over, and I've almost tripped a couple times, so I've started getting down on this side right there. But another option is, I've seen guys do it, is run the air lines to the back of the back of the trailer, or back of the tractor. Run the air lines to the back here, and then have them come into the trailer up there somewhere. But oh, we'll do all that in time. All right, that's it. I'm done for today. Been a long day. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching.